Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm back again with another video. I'd like to say TGIF to you. Have a great weekend that's coming up for you and your family, and a happy holiday that's coming up this month as well. And I would like to talk about in this video tax and accounting business for new tax professionals. So I help people who look to start their own tax preparation business get started who don't have the confidence and the ability to do it by themselves. So mentorship and coaching plays a role in the industry when it comes to helping a new person get started and pointing them in the right direction with mentorship, leadership, guidance, training, and support is what I bring to the marketplace. And the solution that's wrapped around mentorship and coaching is that it removes all the guesswork of getting started, meaning you connect with someone that you come to know, like, and trust, uh, that you believe who can help you get started in a way that's going to help you grow and build your business without making all the mistakes that we all make by being in business as just a natural byproduct of being new to the business that we're starting. So I help remove all the guesswork to getting started. I help alleviate the pitfalls and mistakes that you would have made if you'd have got started by yourself. And so that's the power of mentorship, is that I guide you on a course that's going to allow you to be successful if you don't deviate and if you follow the course as it was intended to be followed. Then the results you will get will be based on your efforts. So if you put in the effort every day inside your business, and since we in an industry that's based on knowledge and skills, you want to become very knowledgeable and skillful in this industry that's going to help position you to make the type of income you want to make inside your business. Because as a new person getting started, it's a whole lot of things you don't know, and there's a whole lot of things you have to learn, and that's a process to learning it. But it's all about how well you can learn, how fast you can adapt, how fast you can implement, how fast you can interpret and understand this information that you're going to be embarking on when it comes to starting your own tax preparation business. Is going to be crucial to your overall success and flow. And so people that I work with are people that already know they want guidance, they want mentorship, they want leadership, they want training, they want support, and they don't want to have to try to do this by themselves because they don't want to waste time, money, and effort and making mistakes that they can't afford to make being new to this awesome career industry that they're embarking on. And so the head state bets for success, they opt into looking for mentorship. And so the challenge right now with mentorship, especially if you're looking online for mentorship, YouTube, Facebook, or any social media platform that you might be a part of, is that there's so many people offering mentorship and coaching style business that's designed to help you get started, that you got to really connect and find someone that you can believe in, that you find credible, that you find reliable, that you find has your best interest at heart, that you can reach out to and talk to, who can answer your questions and concerns. Because see, everyone who starts a business, regardless of what business model it is, regardless of what niche it is, regardless of what industry it is, regardless of what category it is, all have questions. And if you're looking to do a business, it's an ongoing commitment with that business, which means you're going to have ongoing questions and concerns that need to be answered. And you don't want to have to rely on Facebook groups or Instagram groups or LinkedIn groups or any other groups that's out here to try to start and grow and build your business with, because the group is unreliable when it comes to helping you get the results you want to get, because there's too many mindsets. There's too many people who have their own thoughts, too many people that's on different levels when it comes to being in these groups, that you can't count on the group to start and grow the business. If you try to do that, the trouble you're going to get yourself in won't take long, because, like I said, the group wasn't created for you to start and grow and build a business with. It was designed to come together and help support one another, but not in the way that you want to use it for when it comes to starting your business and you not having the confidence in your ability to go out, set your business up with the necessary paperwork needed, being able to go learn how to prepare individual 1040 tax returns and get yourself set up for success and not have to count on a group to help you make that happen. Because, like I said, the group was never created for that dynamic. That group process wasn't designed for you to join the group and to use it in that way. And so for people who try to do that, they find out very soon and very quickly that they can't build and grow a successful, profitable business model by using the group for that purpose. You have to find one person starting out that you can connect with, that you can believe in, that you can identify with, that you can come to understand that this person here might be the one who can help you start and grow your business and point you in the right direction for success. And so that's the challenge for the new person, is finding someone to connect with who has their best interest at heart, who means them no good, who wants to see them win, who wants to see them succeed, and who's willing to answer all their questions and concerns up front with confidence to let them know this is the journey we're on, this is where we're headed, this is what it's going to take, this is what it's going to look like, this is what it's going to be like, and this is the requirements from you to make it happen. Are you ready? Are you willing? If this is something you want to even do. And so I've had the opportunity to work with a person who took a suggestion on starting their own tax preparation business from somebody, found me on my YouTube channel. I told her, so since she wasn't sure if this was a good fit for her, I didn't charge her much, but I charged her something for my work with her and the other groups of women that I had at the time, because I got started with my mentorship program in 2020 just as COVID hit. I had tax preparation and accounting service get started. And so from that process, she realized that this was something she didn't want to do, because the responsibility of working with other people and their money, and the responsibility of being held accountable to the IRS for the work you're going to do when it comes to other people's money, she didn't want to be bothered with. So she realized that this was something she didn't want to do, and so she opted out. And as a result of that, she realized how great and good she was with the job she already had. But the only problem was she took a pay cut because she relocated from California to Columbia. And so she was trying to offset the difference by starting a business. And hopefully she found something that was more suitable for her to do, because I haven't heard from her since she stepped back and decided just to stick with what she was doing. And that was the job she already had that she loved, but just didn't pay enough because of the fact that she took a pay cut. And so that was just one example of how people don't really know until they take action, until they get started, if there's something they even want to do, because they really have no idea about what they get themselves into when it comes to starting a business in this awesome career industry of accounting and tax preparation. So if you're the person that's looking for mentorship, and you're looking for mentorship, and say you might be one of the people that's already checking me out on my YouTube channel, and my handle is at Coaching with Thomas, and you've probably already been checking me out, because I get emails and I get people reaching out to me all throughout the year for whatever reason, let me know that they've been watching my videos, and when they're ready to take action, when they're ready to invest, when they're ready to get started, that's when they call me up and ask me the questions they have, the concerns they have. And I do the best of my ability to understand and break it down to them and let them know what they get themselves into. I even send them over information, especially if they're brand new with no prior training experience and they need to learn how to prepare individual income taxes. I send them over the actual training material that we use for training, and telling him to take a look at that, read through that, see if there's something you can understand and comprehend, because that's going to be the first hurdle when it comes to starting your tax preparation business, is being able to learn how to prepare individual income taxes first. And so that's the first hurdle you must see if you can identify with, and see if there's something that's even a good fit for you to even try to learn. And once you decide you can learn it, it won't be a problem moving forward. Then you have to decide if you're ready to take action, if you're ready to start learning, because I give them different options. And I'm working with the Income Tax School when it comes to the comprehensive course that they provide to help you teach tax preparation. But what I've done was fall back when it comes to giving that as an option right now, and I'm teaching the course myself, where I'm ordering you the forms and publications straight from the Iris.gov website, or I give you the option to order them yourself. The choice is yours. But the bottom line is, I'm training them first to see who's suitable and ready and qualified to go through an organized training platform like the Income Tax School. Because see, the Income Tax School wants students who are willing and ready to learn and pass their course, because those results make their stats look good. I need the same stats. I need positive stats when it comes to me having students that's looking to start and grow a profitable tax preparation business. I need students that's going to show up, who are going to learn, who are going to ask questions, who are going to do everything I suggest they do to get the results they want to get and to grow and build their business. They're going to be willing to do it all. And everything they don't know how to do, they're going to ask me. If they need step-by-step guidance and direction and care, I'm here to help make that happen. And I give them all the resources and tools and information needed that they can learn from, because I'm not available 24/7. So I had to make it where they can learn from other resources other than me directly. And when we get back together once or twice a week to go over what they learned, then I help to give more clarity on that. So when it comes to my mentorship and coaching program for new tax professionals who are looking to start a career in the accounting and tax industry, right now it's hard to really get a person ready for the upcoming tax season, with the tax season hopefully starting on time sometime in January. But what I've done, based on my experience of being in this industry for 22 years, 16 as a business owner, is that we focus on three main elements. One, tax preparation training. Two, professional software training. And three, marketing basics. And so since it's late in the game, right now we focusing on professional software training and marketing basics, because the learning of the tax preparation itself in depth and in detail like it need to be done, we don't have the time for that. And so as a new person getting started, they have an opportunity to still make money for the upcoming tax season by mastering the software, because the software is what we use to do the work with. And that's going to make you look good, even though you might not know everything you need to know, as long as you don't come off like that. As long as you ain't one of them people who nervous, who got to stop and ask for help every 2 or 3 minutes, especially if you're working in an office setting and you got a client sitting with you, then as long as you're not acting like that, you can definitely make you some money, because that type of behavior won't allow you to make any money, because no client wants to sit with someone who's nervous, who's not sure of themselves, who don't know what they're truly doing. And so that's a recipe for disaster for the type of client who has to interact with a client in that way. And so I got started in 1995 by taking an income tax course through Jackson Hewitt Tax Service. That's how I got my exposure. And with me already having a desire to be my own boss and work for myself as a young man growing up, then that class of 1995 exposed itself and planted a seed to let me know this could be the career and business model for you, because this is a career industry that we all know careers take care of you if you take care of it. You know what I'm saying? Careers are something you have to invest your time and your money in to make it work, not jobs, careers. So in this awesome career industry that we're talking about, it's going to take your money, it's going to take your time, it's going to take your efforts, it's going to take dedication, it's going to take focus, it's going to take a whole lot of things that's going to help you be successful, that you're going to have to pour into when it comes to being in this business model, trying to make it work, because we in an industry that's based on knowledge, based on having skills. And so that curve, that learning curve, is going to vary from each and every individual that I work with. But you can make it. You can be successful. And I give my students / clients all the different ways you can make money other than tax preparation. And I let you know there's always 2 different methods to that. There's the direct method, meaning you're going to fulfill all the things required for that, or you can outsource that. And so those are the options when it comes to all the different ways to make money that they didn't have a clue about that even existed until I educated them and exposed them to what's possible. So I'm here to help the new person that's looking to get started in the awesome career industry, make this happen for themselves. But I don't know if I can help you without getting on a phone call with you to talk to you to see where you're at mentally, emotionally, where you're at for experience or lack of experience, where you're at and what you're trying to accomplish and what you're trying to do. And when you're trying to get started, I need to talk to you to find out where you're at, to see if I can possibly even help you. And if I can, then we got to see if we're a good fit on top of that. And so we generally do a phone call and then we back it up with a Zoom call to clarify what we talked about on the phone call to see if we're still in alignment with working on one another and getting started. So if that's something you're interested in finding out, please reach out to me at 773-782-1320. I have a couple of programs that's already available that you can get started with at a very affordable rate. My retail price for my full mentorship and coaching program is $2,559. Right now, I'm doing a special for $1,559, where I basically reduce it by $1,000, and you get 18 months access to work with me to help build a successful foundation inside your business that's going to allow you to be profitable in your first season. But you got to take action. You got to show up. You got to do the work. And if you do all the things I suggest you do, you will get success because you will get results and you will get close to your financial goals based on what it is if you don't hit the target all together. So I can't promise you success because only you can do that by showing up and showing out when it comes to the guidance and the training and the mentorship and the support that I give you that's designed and created to help you get there. Have a great weekend. Enjoy yourself. Like I said, to see if I can possibly help you at all and to see if we're a good fit, don't hesitate to reach out. 773-782-1320. You give me text to that number. I'll back to you at my early convenience if I don't answer on the initial call. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.